Do you know many people are having trouble with the E1 error on their Philips AquaTrio? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Remove battery. Start by removing the battery from your Philips AquaTrio vacuum cleaner. Step 2. Reinsert battery. Carefully reinsert the battery back into the vacuum cleaner's compartment. Step 3. Disconnect handheld. Next, disconnect the handheld component of the vacuum cleaner. Step 4. Press on-off. Press the on-off button to check if the error message has cleared. Step 5. Explore further. If the error persists, explore additional troubleshooting methods in the manual. By following these steps, your Philips AquaTrio vacuum should be back to normal operation. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Philips users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.